Hello, everyone. I'm here with Joy Won, who is a founder and CEO of BestSign. Joy is going to be with us in New York City at the end of November for Legal Innovators New York, and she'll be one of our presenters at the conference. Joy, can you take a few minutes to please introduce yourself and your company to our viewers and listeners?
Thank you. Hello, everyone. I'm Joy, and from BestSign. And what we are building is the eSignature plus legal AI. And we offering the enterprise a full contract lifecycle solutions. Both solutions are available today, and we are integrating them into a seamless workflow. From AI-powered risk review and compliant data extraction before signing to one-click e-signature and turning agreement into usable data and strategic insights. BestSign is transforming how business creates, execute, and unlock value from contracts. Thank you.
BestSign is entering an increasingly competitive market of e-signatures. You're entering the global arena with your solution. Can you please tell our listeners what wins over your customers in this market? Why do they switch to or choose BestSign compared to some of the other solutions on the market?
Thank you for your question. We see three main advantages. First, one-click usability. When we talk about one-click, it actually conveys two meanings. On the one hand, it represents integration of e-signature and legal AI. Customers do not need to switch platforms during their signing processes. They can invoke AI, and this made the user experience smooth and creates strong stickiness. And on the other hand, our legal AI is lightweight and modular, and it can be easily integrated into into a wide range of different business scenarios. And second, scenario-based solution. In B2B, it is not just a product, it's about solution. We've been deeply engaged in contract workflow for years, and this allows us to embedded AI compatibilities into customers' processes to solve the real pain points. And our legal AI refined with the enterprise clients. It can also easily to extend it to serve individual users. In the first half of this year, our legal AI online top-up revenue grew by nearly 6 times quarter by quarter, opening up dual B2B plus B2C revenue channel. And the third, trust and network effect. Our platform has a strong network effect. This made us can scale very quickly. We worked with millions of enterprises and processed tens of billions of contracts. In fact, around 18 billion. This scale gives us unique connections and insights across industries, and the long-term trust from our customer is one of our competitive advantages. Thank you.
Here, Joy. And for those who may be coming across BestSign for the first time, you're not a startup. You have been around for some time. You've got a considerable amount of customers under your umbrella. You have gone through Series C round of funding. Can you please tell our listeners of some of the biggest customer wins in the last year and what have made those organizations choose BestSign?
We've served over 200 Fortune Global 500 companies. Over the past year, Some of our most notable wins came from large enterprises, for example, Siemens Energy, Phillips, and GE, among others on the eSignature side. On the legal AI side, the highlight is a global confectionery company with products sold in over 150 countries. They were already our existing eSignatures customers, so the trust was there. It is natural for them to come to us for legal AI. Their contract and the legal processes were already mature. But they needed AI to handle contract comparison and risk alert in the way that understands their industry. They trusted us not only because they were already in our exclusive signing network, but also because we were able to deliver AI solution tailored to the real world scenarios and more precise than the other generic models. We customize knowledge bases aligned with their industry rules and embedded AI directly into their workflow. That made us the obvious choice. Thank you.
Hey, Joy. And can you please tell us of some standout features that have really surprised and delighted your customer the most? And any feedback that truly has resonated with you and made you made you feel proud of the product that you built?
Okay. I'd frame it less as a single function and more as a intelligent workflow. Our customer put in their commonly used terms, templates, and risk points, and our legal AI automatically flags differences and potential issues during the review. In the past, even with the tool comparison, comparison tools, the clients still need to go through the contracts line by line. But now it only takes a few minutes and sometimes even less. And the system instantly highlights the subtle differences and hidden risks. So the customer always tell us, BestSign's legal AI feels like a colleague who knows our industry, our business. It's not like an external tool. So for me, what really matters is the feeling of being understood, even more than just saving time or effort.
You are coming to Legal Innovators New York in about 6 weeks from now. Can you please tell our listeners of some exciting new features and releases that you'll be introducing in the coming year? What can users expect and how you will be enhancing the platform in the months to come?
We are focusing on two key tracks over the next 6 to 12 months. On the product side, we are working on the contract comparison to the next level, making the analysis more precise and the visualization more intuitive. And at the same time, we are also introducing the lightweight and the plug-in AI tools that can easily integrated into the existing workflow. And equally important from a customer and platform's perspective, we are truly building a global solution, combining contract with knowledge, data insights, and trusted network. And for us, AI is not just a feature; it's how we expand our platform's capabilities and extending the value of the contract into the new and broader business ecosystem. Thank you.
And to wrap things up, can you please tell us what's BestSign vision for the future? That is both in terms of product, but also market expansion on your side. Tell us where you're currently successful at, and tell us which are the geographies that people can expect your solution being available in the near future.
Okay, thank you. Our vision is to build the world's leading AI-powered trust and connectivity infrastructure. We've moved beyond e-signatures. What we are building is a new way for company to create, execute, and unlock values from contracts. By combining the e-signatures and the legal AI, we enable all the teams across an organization to work faster, smarter, and with a greater confidence. And in the enterprise market, we delivered a full contract lifecycle AI solutions to help legal and business departments to manage contracts more efficiently, lower cost, and with a greater reliability. And in the SME and consumer markets, we are leveraging the existing signing network and offering lightweight plug-in AI tools that simple, contextual, and ready for immediate to use. And what's most exciting is that AI have no borders. E-signature are bound by jurisdictions and legal frameworks. AI speak directly to universal business needs. So we firmly believe that BestSign's eSignature plus legal AI will become the global platform with trust, efficiency, and collaboration. Thank you.
Joy, for taking the time to speak with me today. I very much look forward to meeting you in New York in about 6 weeks. For anyone that has tuned in to this video, Joy is currently in the United States. She's currently in San Francisco. And of course, she'll be with us in New York City on the 19th and the 20th of November. So if anyone is interested in connecting with her, please drop her a line on the link below. We'll connect her LinkedIn profile to this video. Feel free to connect with her. And to our listeners that will actually going to attend the conference, Joy is one of our presenters. So you'll be able to not just meet her, but also to sit through a presentation that she will be doing at the conference. Joy, thank you very much for supporting the conference, and I look forward to meeting you in New York.
Thank you, 𝗀𝗵𝗁.